Welcome back to Miriam in Dr. Kumarana. He's astronumerologist, Vastu and Feng Shui consultant, wellness and lifestyle consultant as well, and he's traveled all over the world. Today he's there to assist you. Doctor. Alright, doctor. After a break, shall we go to the SMS?
Okay.
Okay, it's from, okay, before that we have a caller with us. After that we'll come back to this SMS.
Okay.
Hello, namaskaram.
Hello.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്? മീഡിയത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ശോഭ.
എന്റെ മകന് വേണ്ടി ഞാൻ വിളിക്കുകയാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. മകന്റെ പേര് പറയൂ.
മകന്റെ പേര് പ്രശാന്ത് എന്നാണ്.
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് ഒക്ടോബർ 21.
ഓക്കെ.
90.
ഓക്കെ. ടൈം?
ടൈം മോർണിംഗ് 6:30. സൺഡേ ആണ്.
6:30 AM. ഓക്കെ. എവിടെയാ ജനിച്ച മോന്?
മോൻ ജനിച്ചത് ബാംഗ്ലൂരാണ്.
Okay, Bangalore is his place of birth.
Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore.
അന്നേരം അവന്റെ ഹെൽത്തും ഫ്യൂച്ചറും അറിയണം.
Okay. She would like to know about his health and future.
So 21/10/1990, no?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, 6:30 AM Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay, in the meantime, ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി നമ്മൾ വ്യൂവേഴ്സിനോട് ഇന്നത്തെ ചോദ്യം എനിക്ക് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചത് എത്ര ജില്ല ഉണ്ടെന്നാണ്. നമുക്കിവിടെ കുറേ ആൻസേഴ്സ് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നു. 29 സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ് എന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു. സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ് അല്ല ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ച ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട്സ് എത്ര എണ്ണം ഉണ്ടെന്നാണ് നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തിൽ. ഇന്ത്യയിലുള്ള സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സിന്റെ നമ്പറൊക്കെ കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പം കേരളത്തിൽ എത്ര ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടെന്നാണ് ചോദ്യം. SMS അയക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാലോ, 3537 NTV സ്പേസ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഉത്തരം വിത്ത് യുവർ നെയിം. അപ്പം 2 വിന്നേഴ്സിനാണ് തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പം തെറ്റുത്തരം അയച്ചിട്ടുള്ളവർക്ക്, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇത് എടുത്തു പറയാൻ ഇപ്പം ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നത്. കാരണം നമുക്കിവിടെ കുറേ ആൻസർ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട്സ് ഇൻ കേരള.
I think.
Okay.
Yes, you have to repeat, I think.
Yes, അപ്പം ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറിനെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നേരിട്ട് പോയി കാണണം. കൺസൾട്ടേഷൻ ആവശ്യമുണ്ട്. അതുപോലെ അസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആഗ്രഹം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ കോൺടാക്ട് മിസ്റ്റർ കിരൺ. Contact number 050-272-4157. All right.
Okay, can you repeat a date of birth?
Date of birth Monday, October 21st, 1990 അല്ലേ?
അതെ അതെ അതെ.
1990. Okay.
It's
Time is
06:30
6:30 AM.
Yeah.
Place is Bangalore അല്ലേ?
Bangalore.
വിശാഖ നക്ഷത്രമാണ്.
Vishagam is the nakshatra.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Vrishchik Rashi, Vishakam Nakshatra.
Yeah.
You are correct, yes.
Is it
Okay.
Tula
Tula Rashi, Vishakam Nakshatra. Sorry, Tula Rashi, Vishakam Nakshatra.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, but this Kantaka Shani is going on Vishakam Nakshatra.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 15/11/11 up till 24/01/2020. There's a big Shani, what you say, for 7.5 years, and he's I'll just tell you the birth number. He's birth number 3, life path number 5. For 5 number he can go for the prosperity pendant number 5.
Okay.
And the dasha is also Budham dasha presently. Yeah. So what is the question now for you?
I wanted to know about future and
His health.
Especially health.
Health, I think he is feeling always weak. What I feel always, I think he feels lot of weak, and even in the career house Ketu is there, so he has not got proper results in his career. And if you want to know regarding his future, like there is nothing bad about it, but only thing is he will have keep on struggling, for at least for next 2 to 3 years. Only in the end period of Shani, Saturn period, when Kantaka Shani goes off, in you can say 2018 and 19, he will start getting results, but at least up till 2017 he has a struggling period because of this Kantaka Shani. Dasha is okay, Budham.
So is it because of this concentration he is all the time weak and
Correct.
low in
Low in the energy level. Correct. He is feeling weak and low in the energy level. Correct.
because he was super, I mean he was extraordinary in everything.
Yeah, he was. Now he is weak. Correct. That is because of the dasha. If I think if you do some remedies, he will start feeling again energetic. Not a problem.
Yeah.
I will tell you some remedies. First of all, you can tell him to wear a yellow quartz crystal, and the
The ring or
ring. Yes, ring. Prosperity pendant number 5. And even for this energy level and to be away from negative energies, he can go for the Rudrasham 12 mukhi or 13 mukhi. It is very, very powerful. 12 mukhi or
can I ask you a doubt? Where can I get all these things?
this you can I don't know where you will get it, but we can help you to arrange it. I can say that way.
Okay, thanks.
You can contact Mr. Kiran.
You can contact
Yeah.
Mr. Kiran, and if you would like to come and meet me also, you can contact me, and we can always arrange it for you, and even energize it also for you for the same. You know.
Thanks a lot. Thanks.
No problem. Welcome. And plus, I will tell you, he should avoid ginger. He should avoid spicy foods. He should avoid cold water, and minimize the tea content. Twice a time tea is okay for him. Okay.
Yeah, I think she's
Hello?
listening to. I think the call got disconnected.
The call got
Yes,
disconnected.
but you can continue, sir.
But
She'll
I
be
will
watching,
at
yes.
least she is watching the program.
Yes.
And as I told you, onion, garlic he should avoid. He can be vegetarian for Saturday and Tuesday, and even once a week if he can keep fast also, that is Monday. For Monday fast is excellent for him. And plus donation for any yellow items he can give on Thursday. And for his energy level, I have already explained to you, he can always drink water in silver glass also. That will also give him good energy level. And regarding at night, if he drinks milk of kesar or manjan at night at bedtime, that would give him good results. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Okay, before we go into next caller, നമ്മുടെ എസ് എം എസിനെ കുറിച്ച് എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. ബട്ട് ലെറ്റ് മീ ജസ്റ്റ് റിമൈൻഡ് യു ഒരു കാര്യം എനിക്ക് ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കാനുണ്ട്. പേരില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ആ ഒരു വിന്നറിനെ അനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ 0558 എന്ന് എൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന മൊബൈൽ നമ്പർ പേര് വെച്ചിട്ടില്ല, ബട്ട് ദി ആൻസർ ഇസ് റൈറ്റ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ 7471 ഈ രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സിൽ എൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന മൊബൈൽ ഉത്തരം കറക്റ്റ് ആണ്. പക്ഷേ നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര് വെക്കാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ മേ ബി യു വോണ്ട് ബി വൺ അമംഗ് ആർ വിന്നേഴ്സ്. സോ പേര് വെച്ച് നിങ്ങൾ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഉത്തരം അയക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ദ ചാൻസസ് ആർ മോർ. ഓൾറൈറ്റ് ഡോക്ടർ, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് വിൽ ഗോ ടു ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് caller.
Okay.
Hello. Yes, നമസ്കാരം. Good afternoon. ആരെ സംസാരിക്കുന്നു?
എന്റെ പേര് സ്വപ്ന.
ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്റെ മകനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണേ. മകന്റെ പേര് ഉദയ്.
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് August 16, 2001.
August 16th.
16th August.
16th
August.
Yes, 2001.
Yeah, 2001.
Time?
9 AM morning.
Okay.
കൽപ്പറ്റ.
എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ച സ്ഥലം? എവിടെയാ? കൽപ്പറ്റ. ഓക്കെ.
കേരളാണോ?
എനിക്ക് അവന്റെ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ
ഇത് നാട്ടിൽ തന്നെ ഈ സ്ഥലം എവിടെയാണ് ആക്ച്വലി? വയനാട്. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ്സ് കേരള. യെസ്. എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ട മോനെ കുറിച്ച്?
എനിക്ക് അവന്റെ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ഹെൽത്ത് അതിനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയാനായിരുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ. Education, future and health.
Education, future and health. I think he is Mithuna Rashi.
Yeah.
And Trivatira Nakshatra.
Yeah.
Yes. And Mithuna Rashi, there is no at present Kantaka Shani or Ardha Shani.
Okay.
And he doesn't have anything Chauva Dosham also at the same time. His birth number 7 and life path number 9.
Okay.
And the dasha which is going on is presently Guru Vyam Dasha.
Yeah.
And what you want to know about him now?
How is his education, future, which course he can take for higher studies?
And health also.
And Health, I think, is quite average. You don't need to worry regarding health. Only thing is that regarding studies, I think you need to push him for studies. He is good at studies.
Yeah, perfectly correct.
Yes, he is good at studies, but only thing is pushing
Yeah,
from
always
the,
want to push.
yes, always pushing has to be there from the mother's side. I'm telling
Yeah,
you.
perfectly correct. How is his education? He will go higher.
Yeah, he will go higher. He can go to the postgraduate level also, but only with your push.
Yeah.
Yeah. Regarding this, you can also go for a green quartz crystal for him. That is very good for him.
Which,
Green color, green quartz crystal,
Okay.
and his birth number 7. Even what you say, prosperity pendant number 7 would be very good for him, because 7 is considered to be the number of creation, 7 days of the week, 7 wonders of the world, 7 continents, 7 seas, Sat Sur, etc., etc. So that would be good for him. Even
Which course he can take for higher studies?
he can go for technical, computers, and even to the media field also he can go.
Okay, he will
Media-
have a bright future.
Yeah, he got a very bright future, and subsequently he will completely settle himself at the age of 24 and 25.
Okay,
Yes.
he is good for parents.
Yes, he is good for parents. He will take care of his parents very well, especially mother, because I think he is quite attached to you also, so he listens to you, so that is that is where the push is necessary. What you can do for him, he is quite young to do anything. I would advise if he can wear a silver ring also, or a silver chain for himself, it is very good.
Silver chain.
Yeah, silver chain. On his name, you can do some parts of donation, that is take a coconut,
Okay.
break it into half, fill it with sugar, and bury it where there are a lot of ants or ant hill. Bury it in the ground where there are a lot of ants.
Okay.
Next to the trees, you will find there are a lot of ants. Just dig it little and bury it. These you can do this one coconut, that is half and half, two different trees.
Okay.
Once in a month, do it for him. His career and studies will be very successful. Just do it in the name of him. Whenever you are doing it, you should always say that this you are doing only for your son, not for yourself. That's all.
Okay.
Okay?
But he can go for any extracurricular sports he likes.
Yes. Sports, any extracurricular he can go for it. Not a problem. He is a sportsman. You should always encourage him. Only I tell you, push and encourage him. Encouragement, motivation he needs from the mother's side.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, nothing to worry, no?
Nothing to worry. Don't worry. Nothing to worry at all. Don't worry at all. Okay? All is well.
Okay, thanks
Okay,
a lot.
bye.
Bye. Alright, doctor, we'll go to one SMS.
Okay.
Okay, SMS, I actually get Mini, it's from Mini,
Yeah.
11/9/2006, but her place of birth is not mentioned.
They are not mentioning the place
No,
of birth.
even
okay.
Suma George,
I think we'll take those who are not mentioning, we'll take it as a
Kerala.
Yeah, by default Kerala.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay,
yeah,
അപ്പം,
date
ഞാൻ
of birth.
പറഞ്ഞു details എല്ലാം madam. Yes, 11/9/2006. All right, we have
We'll go for
another
caller.
caller.
Okay, we'll go for the
after
caller.
that we'll be coming
Yes.
back to the SMS.
Okay.
അപ്പം കോളിന് പോകുന്നതിന് മുമ്പായിട്ട് ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കാനുള്ള എല്ലാ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസും നിങ്ങൾ വെക്കണം. ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ നെയിം, അതുപോലെ ഏജ്, യുവർ ടൈം ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്, യുവർ പ്ലേസ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്, ഇതെല്ലാം തന്നെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്, ആൻഡ് യുവർ റിലീജിയൻ ഇസ് ഓൾസോ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. ഓൾ റൈറ്റ്, വി ഹാവ് എ കോളർ. ഹലോ, ഗുഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ.
Hello, good afternoon.
യെസ്, മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്?
I'm Divya.
ദിവ്യ.
I'm from Dubai.
Okay.
So I would like to know about my career and life.
Okay, fine. What's your date of birth?
It's 26 November 1987.
Okay. Time of birth?
5 a.m.
5:10.
Yeah.
Okay, AM. Place of birth?
It's Ambala, Haryana.
Haryana. Okay. Okay, you would like to know about your career and your?
And about my life. The thing is, I've just resigned my job
Okay.
and I have given an interview. So would like to know whether, I'll get the job.
Get through that.
Yeah, and one more thing, I would like to know my birthstone.
Okay.
You are Makara Rashi. Hello? You are Makara Rashi and Shravan Nakshatra.
I don't know much
No?
about it, but
Okay. But you are not from Kerala.
No, she's a Malayali.
I'm a Kerala.
You are
But she's
Kerala.
born in Haryana.
Okay. Then I will say you are Trivonam Nakshatra, because I thought.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
in
that's
Hindi it is Shravan, but usually in Kerala is the language, the name is little different, Trivonam.
Yeah, Tribhuvan, that's right.
Okay, fine. Okay, you don't have Kantaka Shani, Ardha Shani, only you have Chauva Dosham.
Okay.
Do you feel sometime isolated yourself?
Sorry?
Do you feel isolated?
No, no,
Sometimes do you feel isolated?
no, no.
Achha, your birth number 8 and life path number is 8. This is basically a number of Saturn, I will tell you. 8 is a number of Saturn. So in short term assignments and long term assignments, you will have obstacles. I will just advise you can go for the prosperity pendant number 7 to dilute these effects. And your birthstone is Margadam, that is emerald. You can wear a nice emerald, a green color stone, nice emerald in your right hand, little finger in gold from Wednesday.
Could you just repeat it? That's white emerald?
No, it is a green color emerald, Margadam. Other name is the South Indian name is Margadam. The
yeah.
English name is emerald. It is a
Emerald,
green,
okay.
it is a green color stone. And if you want, I'll just show you. Even I am wearing it. Okay, this is a green color stone. It's Margadam
Okay.
emerald in your right hand, little finger in gold, same as I am wearing it.
Okay, very good.
Okay, you saw it.
Perfect.
But the dasha is Rahu dasha. Now you don't have
Okay.
all is well, but thing is that you have Rahu dasha from December 2002 to December 2020.
Okay.
So you will get obstacles in your career also at the same time, and in future up till 2020, whatever efforts you do, you may get only 40 to 50% of the result. Even I think for this job you have been like quite after it, the one which you have given interview. I think if you go for these stones which can increase your the planet Budham, which is weak, because if Budham is weak, sometimes you feel confused, or you feel double minded, decision power making is low, and sometimes after thinking 10 times also, you take a decision and it is not successful.
Okay. that's
Okay,
right.
so I will advise you can do some more remedies substance to same. You can keep a fast on Monday, eat one time
Okay.
food, lunch or dinner, and the daytime tea, coffee, fruit juices are allowed. And on every Saturday, fly free
Okay.
3 birds for 2 months. Buy the birds
Okay.
and fly them free
Okay.
every Saturday for 2 months, and take salt water bath once a week.
Salt water.
Yeah, take salt water bath once a week. And even did you get any skin disease anytime? Any skin problem you had? No,
No, not yet. Not yet.
very good. For that, you should avoid at night white milk, radish, mulangi, and even this milk and yogurt. Milk, yogurt, lassi, and radish, mulangi. I think if you do all these remedies, I think you will get through whatever obstacles you are going through it.
So how about the career? I mean, it's good.
Yeah, it's good, but as I told you, the Dasha Rahu is there, so you have a struggle period of it, no? Even for this, if you want, as you were asking about your gemstones also, you can go for the Gomedam Mala 27 beads, Gomedam beads Mala, Rahu beads Mala, 27 beads,
Okay.
which you have to wear it in meditation time, or whenever you are confused, you meditate on it and you get an answer. Whenever, yeah, that is there.
And I would like to know about my husband too, if time is there. Could you just tell me?
I think
don't
it's
know.
almost
It's
time to
almost
wind
time.
up the show.
We can take one.
Divya.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, maybe next time, next week, or SMS acha madi. So next week, Dr. Verma, he'll be, reading through your SMS.
Okay, fine. Perfect.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Thank
we
you.
can take
Bye
one
bye.
SMS maybe.
Yes.
We can take one SMS.
Yeah, we'll take one SMS. Yes,
Yes.
Mini. That's what I was just
Yes.
saying. 11/9/2006, 22:54 hours.
1 minute. 22:54 hours.
Yes, she would like to know about her studies and future. She's place of birth Vechitilla.
Not in it?
Adulane, yes,
So
place
I
of
will
birth is
take-
not there. So he's taking it by default as Kerala.
Kerala, correct. In the meantime, you can tell my.
യെസ് അതുപോലെ ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറിനെ നേരിട്ട് പോയി കാണണം, കൺസൾട്ടേഷൻ, അസിസ്റ്റൻസ്, ഗൈഡൻസ് ഒക്കെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആവശ്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ കോൺടാക്ട് മിസ്റ്റർ കിരൺ. ദ കോൺടാക്ട് നമ്പർ ഇസ് 0502724157. അല്പസമയത്തിനുള്ളിൽ ഞാൻ വിന്നേഴ്സിനെ അനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും.
Yes, she is Mesh Rashi, Bari Nakshatra. What was the question?
She would like to know about her studies and future.
Studies and future. Okay, her Ardha Shani is going on from November 2014 to October 2017. So it is possible she doesn't have any dosham at present.
Okay.
And the number is, her birth number is 2 and the life path number is 1. She can go for the prosperity pendant number 1, which will bring her, and she got even the dasha is Shukram dasha up till November 2016. I think she's quite young, no?
She's studying, yes.
Yeah, she's studying.
It's
I think
2006.
yeah, 2006. You know, she's just, you can say, 7-8 years old.
Yes. No, she must be in 7th or 8th. 14 or 13 years old. Yes.
Yeah, correct. 2000.
Yeah, she's 6. She must be at 9 years old. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm
that's
saying.
what
8,
it
9
is.
years old. That's what I was. Not 13, 14.
Yeah.
She's just 8 years old. You know, 2015 she'll complete
Yeah.
8. You know, so no need to worry actually about this much because you are too young. And I will just advise you, concentrate on the studies. You can keep face east while studying. Keep 7 pieces of peacock feather in your room and eat more green vegetables. You can go always in the fashion designing media line, but again it is very too early to predict or to very too early to say something about your reality in life. I think I would just advise you, you can take a bath with neem leaves. Take bath with neem leaves once a week, and I think you can keep a crystal pyramid at your study table. If you cannot have concentration, keep crystal at your study table in your house. I think that would be quite enough. The future is okay, nothing much to worry. After Shukram Dasha is Surya Dasha for 6 years and again Chandrama Dasha for 10 years. So for I think next 15 years you need not worry much. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. So our time is almost up.
Okay.
It's time to wind up the show once again. So thanks a lot for being here on
Yeah,
Mirror.
thank you for giving me the opportunity to serve you all.
ഓൾറൈറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ഷോ വൈൻഡ് അപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ സമയമായിരിക്കും. ബിഫോർ ദാറ്റ് ഞാൻ ചോദ്യം ചോദിച്ചിരുന്നു, നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തിൽ എത്ര ഡിസ്ട്രിക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടെന്നായിരുന്നു ചോദ്യം. അപ്പം ഉത്തരം ഇതാണ്, 14 ഡിസ്ട്രിക്റ്റ് എന്നാണ് ഉത്തരം. കുറേ SMS വന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ വിന്നേഴ്സ് ആർ ആഷ ഫ്രം അബുദാബി ആൻഡ് ഷോബ ഫ്രം ദുബായ്. കൺഗ്രാറ്റുലേഷൻസ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്നത് കപ്പിൾ ഇൻവൈറ്റ് ആണ് അബുദാബിയിൽ നടക്കുന്ന ലാറ്റിനോ സർക്കസ് കാണാനുള്ള ഒരു അവസരം. അപ്പം ഇവിടുന്ന് കൂടുതൽ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് വിളിച്ചറിയിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും റിഗാർഡിംഗ് ദ ടിക്കറ്റ്സ്, അതുപോലെ ഷോയിൻ്റെ ഡേറ്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ ഞങ്ങൾ ഇവിടുന്ന് വിളിച്ചറിയിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അപ്പം സീ ഓൾ ഓൺ സാറ്റർഡേ. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു ഹാപ്പി വീക്കെൻഡ്. 2 to 3 വരെ സാറ്റർഡേ വീണ്ടും കാണാം. Until then, it's me, Sharon, signing off. Bye-bye.
Nani, namaskaram.